Yeah, they were poured all at the same time. Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Guess what's happening today? They're putting the lift in.
142 on it. Well,
What's drive?
What did you say the drive-through with it right now is 104?
Right there.
106 and a quarter and a half.
What are you working on, Eric?
Oh, we gotta build an extension cord that'll run the hoist until I can wire it down from the ceiling.
Yeah? The other side? Are you good?
I don't know where the center point is, or where the balance point is on this structure. Go back a little further yet. Okay, try it there.
It's not the life.
I like this. This is gonna make life so much easier.
Yeah, I'm cameraman Gene, and I'm headed off to an adventure. I was invited by a longtime friend of mine, recently reacquainted with, to a trail ride over by Antigo. And so, at the invite of Lana Schneider from Four Legs Four-Wheelers, going over there to see what the wheeling is like over there. From what I understand, where we're wheeling was a designated area for ATVs, but it was multi-use and it's been adopted by the Club from Madison, Four Lakes Four-Wheelers. So I'm gonna go over there and see what it's all about. Finally made it to the camp here, and yeah, it's quite a switch because all around Antigo, whatnot, was primarily potato farming. Many years ago, at least when I worked in the area, but very flat. However, this is far from flat. As you can see, well, matter of fact, we will, Four Lakes Four-Wheelers, Madison, whatnot. This is far from flat around here, but there's a lot of sand and a lot of swamps. Well, we're here on the spot where I turtled. That's what I have. That's what I have best done for you there, yeah. Here's kind of sort of a twin to mine, run by the president of the, actually the wife of the president of the Wisconsin Coalition of Four-Wheel Drives. Oh, nice job, Jim.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yay! Not sure if the flames will make it run better, but it sure is pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wanted to reposition the rock, apparently.
You don't need to do that. You don't even need to get on that rock if you don't want to. I think he wants to play.
had to take a little bit different line.
For the people on GMRS or FRS, we are down at the main trail at the base of the memorial, and we're waiting until the group has grouped up and I get some sort of a indication from a back door that we're ready to move.
We are meeting with a ladies group, and I'll have more information on that. Okay, we're off to meet the ladies group at the campsite. Here we go with Ladies Off-Road Adventures. I'm in the intermediate group because I don't have big enough tires. But this is quite the event. Fortunately, I found a couple of people that know me and I know them, and so it's all good. Anyways, some from Minnesota, some from Wisconsin, and got my friend Leo Schneider. He is in the back. He's running his tail gunner. I'm almost tail gunner. Tried to get in the middle, but that didn't quite work out. As you can see, kind of winding through the woods, and it's really hilly around here. Like I said before, around the Antigo area there is plenty of flat land, but there's also some hills that are around here too. Here we are, gonna try and steer the slippery fish and do it in low gear, low range, idling at about 900 RPM. And part of it is going wherever it wants to go, because there's some decent ruts here. We're clear, Leo.
Give it.
Who's that, Kate?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the key. Not to drive like a wild Indian, but carrying good momentum.
Oh dear, what did you think of going up the hill?
It was awesome. My adrenaline is just pumping like crazy. Yes, I did it.
Yes, you did.
I was nervous. Didn't think I was going to make it, but I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You'll have many more adventures because of this.
Looking forward to it. Yes.
Yeah.
Tom, are you going to jump in with Leo?
What did you think of it?
I want to do it again. That was fun.
Once you get a taste of it, you go, yeah. And is the old man going to drive the vehicle ever again on the trail?
Doubtful.
That's what I figured. Well, it's a day later, and guess what? I'm not over in eastern Wisconsin. But I had a great time yesterday at the invitation of Four Lakes Four-Wheelers. They were doing some trail maintenance early in the morning, and then in the afternoon they guided a group of ladies. There was probably about 30 rigs there all totaled, from a Jeep Renegade, a Subaru Outback, to a few gals that had JKs, JLs with 40s on them. So it was quite the gamut of vehicles, and there was a couple of gals that recognized me from the record games or actually over at Eric's when we were doing a recovery seminar for L-Rock. So it was really nifty. There's a couple of gals that was their first time with their vehicles off-road, and they were in our group. I hung in with the intermediate group because just the way my Jeep is equipped. But all of the ladies had a blast. Talking to my friends that worked with the group that were the beginners, you know, the person with the Renegade. As a matter of fact, there was a gal there that was in the Easy Trail, and I mean, she was riding on a 3-inch lift and 37s and whatnot, but it was her first time out. But they all had a blast. They all had grins on their faces after going out. This is the wonderful part about four-wheeling, is that it is a community that just gets along, has fun, and we enjoy nature. Anyways, yeah, Cameraman Gene had a good time over in eastern part of Wisconsin with the people from Four Lakes Four-Wheelers. Anyways, Cameraman Gene will probably be, well, yeah, I will be joining Eric, Myra, Blake, Chris, and Abby, and maybe we'll have a surprise guest at Memorial. So you never know.